Okay, so in lieu of Sir Gio, we have here one of our event organizers as well, Ma'am Deva Hazel Aragon.
So, good morning everyone. Good morning runners. Our starting point will be here. Then, sa ato ang 3K nga turning point is going to Gabunan. Ha? Kaning unahan pagid siya sa crossing. And beyond that is ang ato ang kuan, diri ang 3K, ang ato ang 5 and 10K paingon ta sa Pikas. Na ato ang first turning point sa Greenfields Crossing. First turning point sa ato ang 5K and 10K, and then balik ta paingon sa Gabunan, which is our second turning point for 5K and 10K. Our marshals will be there to guide you. We also have Mr. Larry Dominic Tanso to guide the 10K.
Pagawat na makakita mo Marshall, then balik na po dayon mo pasaka. Then lost lang dayon mo, straight lang yun. Then nakakita mo sa sa Rotman ba? Sa Facebook. Okay then, pagka abot ninyo sa Gabunan, nagapoy kuan dito, nagapoy Marshall. Pero ang sa 3K, lahi ang Marshall sa 3K, bulaos pagidayon mo. So,
let's go. Welcome to the main event. Applying pressure, but I promise I ain't making that. In the air, living free. I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the
So again, requesting the 5K runners and 3K runners to please proceed to our starting line.
Requesting the 10K category runners to be in the front, as you will be released first. In the middle then would be our 5K category runners, and behind them would be our 3K category runners. Again, 10K category runners would be in the front. In the middle would our
free. I ain't paying rent. Wake up in the AM making cheese like Mercedes Benz. Whoa, yeah. Please don't take offense. It is to you. I'm just not interested in making friends. My biggest fear is finding out that this can't be
again, we will now be hearing
of the route for today. So 10 kilometers for the 10-kilometer route. So ang runners mudagan paingon sa crossing Greenfields. Naay Marshall nakabutang dito. Then after sa crossing Greenfields, diretso din mo sa Sitio Gabunan. Dito
do not hesitate to approach our medics and be attended. Thank you. I believe now the 10K runners are now here in front. I'd like to call in Ma'am Brenda here. 7,